Underneath the pale moon's light, shadows dance inside the night. Whispers of what once was near fade away like falling tears. Echoes in the empty hall, ghosts of words we can't recall. Lonely stars in twilight sky, watching as our dreams pass by. Gone are the days of our song, left with nights that feel so long. Holding on to memories, locked inside these autumn leaves. Waves crash on an empty shore, footprints that we left no more. Silent winds that softly sigh, carry tales of you and I. In the shadows where we meet, lost in time and bittersweet, holding on to fading hope, silent prayers to help us cope. Gone are the days of our song, left with nights that feel so long. Holding on to memories, locked inside these autumn leaves. Every time I think of you, I'm heartbroken and crying. We used to laugh under the same sky. Now all I can do is miss it, and it bothers my soul. I can't forget the days I loved you. Your smile wrapped up like a warm hug. I have to go now. My heart is sinking into the space of sadness. The cold wind blew past my face. I'm so lonely on this road without you. Step by step as I step on the memory, I try to repel my fear. I can't forget the days I loved you. Your voice is still deep in your heart. I have to let you go now. My love is disappearing in the shadow of a breakup. I can't forget the days I loved. Your voice is still deep in your heart. I have to let you go now. My love is disappearing in the shadow of a breakup. I see your smile again somewhere. I want to love you for once, but the breakup song doesn't end. Your name is engraved in my heart. of dreams that we once chased fade into a cold night's chill. Tears